everyone, today we're diving into a massive memory upgrade kit from GIGASTONE, a 20-pack of 8GB DDR3 RAM modules, totaling a whopping 160GB. This kit is designed for desktop PCs and boasts compatibility with both DDR3 and DDR3L standards, operating at 1600 MHz, but also backward compatible with 1333 MHz. These are PC3-12800 and PC3-10600 modules, running at a CL11 latency, with a dual voltage of 1.35V 1.5E. They're unbuffered UDIMs with 240 pins and non-ECC, so they're aimed squarely at the consumer desktop market. The sheer volume of RAM in this kit is impressive. It's clearly targeted at users who need a significant memory boost for demanding applications like video editing, 3D rendering, or running multiple virtual machines. The fact that it comes in 20 individual modules also offers some redundancy. If one module fails, the system can still operate with the remaining memory. GIGASTONE emphasizes broad compatibility, and these modules should work with a wide range of desktop PCs that support DDR3 memory. The dual voltage support, 1.35V 1.5V, is a nice touch, increasing the number of compatible systems. While DDR3 is an older standard, there are still plenty of systems out there that can benefit from a RAM upgrade. This kit could breathe new life into an older workstation or gaming rig, allowing it to handle modern workloads with ease. The 1600 MHz speed is a decent clock speed for DDR3, and the CL11 latency is fairly standard. The GIGASTONE kit presents a cost-effective way to max out the RAM capacity of older DDR3 systems. If you're looking to extend the lifespan of your existing hardware and need a substantial memory upgrade, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.